Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about AI job replacement. So in 2013, the Oxford few scientists have published a probability that 47% of the professions will be taken over the computers in 2 decades. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that everything will be done by the computers only. The professions will change like that only. So in that case, what is going to happen that 47% of the profession will be work on the computers only. Without the computers, we won't be able to work like that. So bookkeeping, for example, bookkeeping, 99% of the all text prepares, 99% of the account clerk, and then credit analysis, everything will be done on the computer. So computer is a very important thing is going to happen in 2 decades. Okay, so this was the probability that was taken at that time. uh, the probability were right, because what is today happening, like everything is done by the computer. If you're going to do any job, we require computers in that. Okay, so sales and customers are increased with the help of that. Like in case of the sales, what we need to do, 99% of all the telemarketers and the cashiers and the door-to-door salesmen, everything required the jobs. Okay, every jobs requires a computer. So they were right. Web shopping is taking over, and conversion rates for telephone sales are not very attractive. So we are taking the computers everywhere. So with the help of the artificial intelligence, everything will be able to work on the computer only. We don't need to require the telephones to work on, like to communicate or to work on, nothing. We just need a computer right now, because everything can be done. You don't need to write anywhere. You just type it, and you can save it and then send it to any other person that required that information. Okay, so assembly line robot has been around for 50 years, and then today smart robots can be programmed by anyone to do anything. Okay, so robots are replacing jobs. So here what is happening, like robots are working for everything. Robots are like, whatever happening inside the computer is done by robots only, right? We have created our device like that, that everything is working like that. Like 69% of all taxi drivers are like, with the help of the transportation job, we are working with the help of maps and everything. It is done by AI only. Like bus driver, truck driver, self-driving car is already a reality. A potential for a job lost staggering. Very soon AI could replace millions of the things. Okay, so these are the different kind of things that are available. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to AI. Thank you so much.